Ndewo kekime. Ta bo ụbọchị nke abụọ. Day 2. Ụbọchị nke abụọ of the challenge. Okay? How was yesterday? Kun seme. Akwa gara ọfụma. Okay. Ihe anyị ga-amụta ahụ. We're going to name 3 objects in the house. Okay? Ihe anyị ga-amụta ahụ. We're going to name 3 objects in the house. Okay? So you're going to play it as a game. You find 3 pieces of paper, okay? So just cut up some piece of paper, okay, 3 pieces, and then write the names of 3 items that you would normally find in a house. Again, I'll give you an example, but you can choose any, okay? The examples I'm going to use, again, akpa, okay? And I'm using that intentionally to reinforce what we learned yesterday so they can remember. Akpa, bag. Ngaji, spoon. Efere, plate. Okay, this is all in the PDF. You download it if you haven't. You can download it and then you can just paste it somewhere you can see it every day, maybe on your fridge wall or something like that. Okay, so you can see it. So 3 objects we're going to name today are bag, ngaji, spoon, efere, plate. So when you write this, so in a piece of paper you write ngaji, another one efere, another one akpa. Then you give the child, after teaching the child, okay, unless your child knows this already, then you don't need to teach. But if they don't know it, you show them what it is first. And then you give them the piece of paper containing each one. And if your child is not able to read yet, draw it on the piece of paper. So you can draw a bag, draw a spoon, draw a plate. And then ask them. So when you line up the 3 things, you then ask them to pick up which one. Okay? So akpa, they'll pick up which papers is akpa. Okay, so just with the drawings. Efere, they'll pick out which drawing is efere. Or ngaji, they pick out which one. Okay, you understand? So you have paper, you either write it or you draw it depending on the level of your child, and you just say the word and ask them what does it mean. Okay, so for the one that already can read, you show them akpa. You can write akpa and say, go and drop this paper on akpa for me. So they take the paper, drop it on a bag. That's correct. Efere, they take the paper, drop it on a plate. Ngaji, okay, same thing. If they are not able to read, you just draw the item on the paper, but don't write. You draw the item on the paper, draw those 3 different papers, and then you can say, go sim efere, they will show you. Go sim ngaji, they will show you. Okay, go sim, show me. Go sim, show me. Go sim efere, go sim ngaji. You get the idea. Ngwan kodi. See you on day 3.